Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Sims 4 game on your PC. In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose your game world on the Sims 4 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sims 4 game on your device, and once you open it up, you can either create a new game and start creating your character, or you can resume from any of your old saved ones. Now, if you haven't already played and chosen a residential world, then after you have created your character, you will be able to choose from the various different worlds that have been installed on your game. Just click on whichever world you wish, and this will now take you into this game world, from which you can choose from your desired house or plot in order to begin your game. You can directly choose houses, or you may also choose an empty plot of land. After choosing your desired location, you can click on the confirm button, and then click on the purchase home option in order to move into this neighborhood to the property that you just selected. And now you will end up within your plot that you have just purchased. If you have chosen a house, then you can directly go in. But if you have chosen an empty plot, then you will now need to start constructing your house. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to move into a game world and start playing the Sims 4 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.